want to create a YouTube channel this year and beyond, if you want to create a YouTube channel, it takes only three things to get started on YouTube. The first one is your Gmail account, then the second one is your mobile phone, your gadget, your mobile phone or your laptop or your computer. Then the third one is your internet connection, yes, access to the internet. If you have these three things, then you are good to go. You are good to go. So let's create one for ourselves now. The first thing to do is to click on your YouTube app or click on Google and type in www.youtube.com. Then click on this button here showing my picture, and then click on here because we want to open a new account. So all what you have to do is, remember I told you that you'll be using your Gmail account. So I'm going to choose one of my Gmail accounts here, and then I will use it to open my YouTube channel. So I've switched to a new Gmail account. Then still click on the where the icon is showing, then click on your channel. After clicking on your channel, you have to put in your picture, then your name, then your handle. So let me put a picture. The first thing to do is put a picture, and after putting a picture, then okay save profile picture. Then this is the name that you use to register your Gmail account. So like you can leave it this way, or you can actually edit it to let people know your channel name. So I'm going to change my name now. Okay, I'm having financial accounting. I can just put accounting teacher. Okay, so click on save. Then this is your handle, accounting teacher. Then click on save. Okay, it has been chosen, accounting teacher 111. So it will be visible to all users on YouTube. So okay, fine, we've already created the name, we've already created our handle. Then click on create channel. So it is creating a channel for us now. It's very simple to create a channel for yourself. Now fine, channel created. Super excited. Yes. So we have our channel here. You can see it is a fresh account, no subscribers, no videos, but we've already set everything here. So this pencil icon is where you will click on if you want to edit your channel, if you want to add your channel banner, if you want to add description, okay, what you do on YouTube, then you put it here, because some people actually always know what your channel is all about. So it's very important to put what your channel is all about. Just put it here. You can write it somewhere and paste it here. So the next thing to do is to keep all your subscription private. If you want other people to see the other channel you've already subscribed to, then you can put it on, and you can also put it off if you don't want people to see other channels that you've already subscribed to. So this home page is where you see other videos on YouTube. This is short, where you see short videos. Then we have subscription, the channel that you've already subscribed to, like you see them here. And then you library, where you will see your watch history, the history that the videos you've already seen, and then where you will download and all that. So let's go back to our channel. So just click on your channel. So you see all what your channel is all about. Again, you see where you will edit your channel. So we have home where you see your videos. You have playlist, we have channels that you've already subscribed to, you see it there. Then we have about. So if you want to, you can see about, and today's date is May 23rd 2023. So like this is my new YouTube channel. So this icon here is showing your YouTube studio. YouTube studio is where you see the back end of your channel, how your channel is improving, the number of people that are subscribing, your watch hours. You are going to see everything here. You can see number of subscribers. You are going to see it in your under your YouTube studio. So this is how you can actually create a YouTube channel for yourself. It is very, 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 very simple, but make sure that you have a YouTube channel, you have a YouTube banner. And if you want a course for YouTube, you can actually reach out to me. I have it here. If you are a YouTuber and then you want to learn how to monetize your channel quickly, you can actually grab this course. It will be in the description of this video. And if you are new to YouTube and you want to learn how to earn more, or you want to learn how to actually get your first 1,000 subscribers, grab this course. And then I run classes on how you can win and earn on YouTube. So, but it is not compulsory. But if you actually need it, the cost is 4,000 naira as at now. But if you actually need it, you can actually grab it and link me up on Telegram or WhatsApp, or you can just join our Telegram group. So I'll see you in my next video.